Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Ya Shaikh Husseini here from Iran.
MashaAllah.
How are you, my brother?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, we heard about the story there. I wanted to know from you what happened.
Okay, right now we are under siege. For the last 12 hours they are shooting. In my house, they have destroyed our Husseiniya with the heavy bomb. And then they are now shooting my house. They are shooting the wall right now. Since yesterday in the night around, it is now almost 10 hours, 11 hours to be precise. They came here around 10.
Yes.
They started shooting all through the night. Up till now they are shooting.
Where are you now?
I am inside the house.
So they are shooting at the house that you are staying in?
Yes. So
your life is in danger there?
Well, there is nothing I can do except Allah alone can deliver me, because there is no way out. They have already put the whole house in siege from every corner, and they are shooting.
Inshallah, we will try to do our best there. How many people has been killed? You don't know?
Well, in this house they kill about 14. In the Husseiniya they kill everybody there. And we don't know the numbers. And we don't know the number they kill in Husseiniya. And they took some alive and killed them. They are about 30. By now we don't know whether those they have killed must have passed 50. But they are still shooting.